Hello friends, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare ragda patties. Ingredients required are white peas, finely chopped onion, tomato, coriander leaves, oil, cumin seeds, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala, cumin and coriander seeds powder, salt to taste, and boiled and peeled potato. Here I have taken 1 cup of white peas, soak them in water for 8 hours and cook them in pressure cooker for 2 to 3 whistles. While cooking white peas, we have to add little turmeric powder, salt and baking soda. Let's start the preparation. Keep one utensil for heating. Add in oil. Once the oil is hot, add cumin seeds, ginger garlic paste, roast it for few seconds. Add finely chopped onion. Roast this until onions become soft. Now we have to add finely chopped tomato. Once the tomato becomes soft, we have to add turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala, cumin and coriander seeds powder. Give it a good mix. Allow this to cook for few seconds. Masala has mixed properly. Now we have to add cooked white peas. Add little water. While cooking white peas, I have added salt. So now I am adding little salt. Mix everything well. Allow this to cook on medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Ragda has been boiling since 3 to 4 minutes. Switch off the stove. Add finely chopped coriander leaves. If we boil ragda for longer time, taste will be good. Now let's see how to prepare patties. Take boiled potatoes. Mash them. We can mash it using potato masher. Add little ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, garam masala, cumin and coriander seeds powder, very little red chili powder. Add salt to taste. Mix this well. Now take small portion of potato mixture. We can make patties like this. I am going to keep it in plate. Like this I will make all patties. Patties are ready for shallow fry. Keep one pan for heating. Add oil. Now we have to shallow fry these patties. After 2 minutes of roasting, we have to flip them to other side. We have to fry them this side for 1 to 2 minutes. Patties have well fried now, you can see. We have to shallow fry them like this. Switch off the stove. I am going to take out these in plate. Now we can serve the ragda patties. Now everything is ready to serve ragda patties. Patties are ready. Ragda is here. Homemade save, tomato, onion, green chutney and sweet chutney. Take patties in a serving bowl. Add ragda on the top of patties. Add finely chopped onion, finely chopped tomato, green chutney, sweet chutney, some save, finely chopped coriander leaves. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.